Hey, Martin, did you realize that about 40% of all shoppers do their Christmas shopping before Halloween?
That's really important for small businesses to know, especially between the pandemic concerns and the supply chain concerns. It's time. If you've got it in stock, let them know, get it now and prepay to hold it for them. So I think this is a pretty critical time that the small business move, because they may not be able to find something at a big box store and they may be able to find a comparable thing at a small business.
It's so important to get in touch with your customers now, too, don't you think? But get those email campaigns going and those
Yeah.
newsletters out and let people know that you've got some great ideas for them for the holidays and what distinguishes you with your special offers from anybody else that's out there, that with the same types of products. And one of the things that's really on the rise, of course, is conversational marketing. And
Yep.
that's really going to carry itself into the holiday season. People want to hear from the vendors, and especially if they're online shopping. The prediction is that while about 70% people say that part of their shopping journey for the holidays is going to be online, but only about 30% or so, about a third of the shoppers are going to do all of their shopping online. So it's going to be a combination this year, but what all of them want is that personalized experience. So start DMing, right? Direct messaging the folks that are liking what you're doing on social media. What else do they need to do, Martin?
Well, the other thing is live. You get something in and you have it available now. Say the way you secure it is we're unboxing this. Now we have, such and such in right now. You want it for the holidays? The way you do it is sign up for here, give a deposit, make sure to get money up front. Don't be holding things as a favor right now. People understand. Secure with money and hold it and get this word out. But also start helping your neighbors acknowledge and cross-acknowledge on the social platforms. A small town, this is the time we want to be the media and the conversation, and look for any news outlets talking about availability and maybe capitalize on this. These are all the things we'll be talking about, of course, in our course on this coming up. And this is the time to move. Don't hesitate. Begin the conversation now. These concerns about supply chain, Jeanne, I can't find someone from my health food store locally owned to the person that helps out with us here at the house. They couldn't get a part for their dryer, so they're having to go to a drying machine. Everyone's impacted with that conversation about supply chain. If you get it, tell people this is the time to buy it now.
Well, and people are going to be looking for alternatives for some of their
Yep.
favorite items too, aren't they? Things that they can't find. So this is a great time for your business to really let people know what you have, any special offers that you can give them. And one of the strategies, I love that one of the potters that we work with used last year, she had a little buyer's gift. She just made these little tiny pieces of pottery that, you could tie on to your gift that you bought. And so any little thing that you can do like that to make people, a little more interested, a little more ready to decide to purchase from you are helpful. And any helpful types of hints for the holidays, gift guides, things like that. So get out if you're thinking about your content, get it together now. Do something pretty on Canva or something that gets people's attention, and time to get started.
Yeah, and if you hear something's out and you have a complimentary product, just like if you're in front of them, do you have X? We don't have X, but we do have Y. This is the type of content you want to get out there and communicate to people so they know you're available, you're here, build the conversation, and really make sure to also support your local businesses yourself. Look for it. Notice, are they posting? Is this a strategic ally? Is there content out there? Have they made a video? Is there a live? I might be a roller skating rink and they might be a local hardware store. So I could like and share their content to cross promote my town and help out.
I'm reminded of that old movie Miracle on 34th Street, where Macy's made that really good marketing move. Do you remember when they weren't able to supply someone with skates or whatever it was, and they sent them to another department store? store, and all the shoppers rush to Macy's going, they're so helpful. Even if they don't have it, they're willing to send me somewhere else just so I have what I want. So people appreciate that helpfulness. And especially this year, people are starting to get anxious about what's going to happen with their Christmas shopping. So be that good person. One other thing that's really successful right now is if you're willing to make a donation to some cause. People love, to know the heart of your business and any causes that you're willing to support. So for every something that's bought from you, maybe you give $1 to something, or, whatever is affordable for you to build into your prices for your business. So just some ideas to get going. But the biggest thing, Martin, is get going, right?
Yes. And we'll be talking about this in our course coming up as well. But let us know your ideas. Put comments below. Anything you have that will support small and local business. I'm ready. I've got my ears on, and you've got your necklace there. So we're ready for the holidays here.
The light bulbs.
Let's make it the best holidays ever for small and local businesses. Make the effort to support them. Make the effort to support your neighbor. And let's make this a great holiday. Thanks so much.
Thanks.